How to set business hours in Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up your business on the appointment system on Square. So we are going to head over squareup.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see this dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to head over the appointments, click on calendar, and then we are going to find our calendar. Now we're going basically to set up the availability time and date by heading over here when you're going to be on the calendar, and then we are going to click on the as you can see here, the watch that is here. So you can go ahead and set up the availability of your time, of course, and also we can go ahead and set up the staff if you're going to not be using the Square appointments. So you can go ahead and use this one, for example, in 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. And also for the recurring schedules, you can go ahead and set up the days and also the time, and also add some maybe more times. Maybe you're going to have a pause in the middle of the day. So you're going to have it like this, maybe 12, not but AM. So we're going to have 12, and we're going to have it like this until we are going to have something else. So that was pretty much it for this one. Now we are going to be back for the staff. Click on the team, and also we are going to set up the team members. Also, we can go ahead and set up the scheduling and also the availability of the team. You're going to have here the availability. So we can go ahead and modify it. So we have the team members. This is the name of the team. And we have the days. So I can go ahead and add, for example, the availability for all day, or only start and ending time. Also, you can add the availability from here. You can go ahead and set up the repeat, for example, until, I don't know, here, maybe five. These are going to be 6 days. So I'm going to have only 5 days. Click on save, and we're going to set from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we are going to click on save. So it is going to add it until we are going to find the weekend for that person. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon with the next one.